Electricity in your home, the world in your pocket, and footprints on the moon, none of it existed just 120 years ago. These inventions didn't just change technology, they changed humanity. They shaped how we live, communicate, and explore. From medicine to machines, the 20th century was the most transformative in human history. The pace of invention accelerated like never before, changing everyday life in ways people then couldn't imagine. Let's count down the 10 most important inventions that made the modern world possible. 10. The airplane. The Wright brothers' first flight in 1903 lasted just 12 seconds, but it launched a new era. Aviation opened global trade routes and made international travel accessible. It connected cultures and economies in unprecedented ways, shrinking the world. 9. The assembly line. Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing by introducing the moving assembly line. This method drastically lowered production costs, making goods affordable for the average person. It also transformed industries beyond cars, influencing factories worldwide. 8. Antibiotics. When Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, it revolutionized medicine. Suddenly, infections that once meant certain death became treatable. This breakthrough saved millions of lives and paved the way for modern pharmaceuticals and healthcare. 7th, television. Television became a cultural phenomenon, shaping public opinion and entertainment. It brought global events into living rooms and created a shared experience across diverse audiences. From news to sitcoms, TV transformed how people consumed information. 6th, the computer. Early computers were enormous machines used mainly for military and scientific calculations. Over decades, technological advances miniaturized them, leading to personal computers. Today, computers are fundamental to business, education, and social life worldwide. 5th, nuclear power.
Few people cried. Most people were silent.
Nuclear energy emerged during World War II, demonstrating immense power with atomic bombs. Post-war, scientists harnessed this energy for electricity generation, providing a new, efficient power source. Despite controversies, nuclear technology remains vital for medicine and energy. 4th, space travel. The Apollo 11 moon landing symbolized human ingenuity and ambition. It inspired generations and accelerated scientific research. Space travel has since expanded, with satellites enabling global communication, weather forecasting, and GPS navigation. 3. The Internet. The Internet began as a military project but quickly grew into a global network. It revolutionized access to information, social interaction, and commerce. The digital age reshaped nearly every aspect of society, creating new opportunities and challenges. 2nd, mobile phones. Mobile phones transformed communication, breaking barriers of distance and time. Early models were bulky and expensive, but innovation made them accessible to billions. Smartphones now combine communication, entertainment, and computing in one device. 1. The microchip. The invention of the microchip was the cornerstone of the digital revolution. These tiny circuits power everything from household appliances to advanced spacecraft. Their development accelerated technological progress, enabling complex computing in compact forms. These weren't just inventions. They were turning points in human history. Each sparked changes that ripple through our daily lives even now. Which invention do you think shaped the 20th century the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing discoveries.